Alright guys, welcome back. So in the last video, you guys saw the amazing experience on Starlux Airlines business class. Now in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get 50% off the cash price for a ticket in business class with Starlux without even using credit card points. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since I made anything in the office, and that's because I changed my setup and I'm actually moving office soon, and I can't wait to show you guys what the end product is. Maybe we'll do like a studio tour, like an office tour. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. So the reason why I want to hop on here and just make a really quick video is because most of you might have already watched the very previous video, which is a flight that I took from Taipei all the way to San Francisco here back home on Starlux Airlines business class in their Airbus A350-900. What a excellent flight, right? Super nice, very good experience, and I want you guys to have that kind of experience as well on a discount, because that's what I do, right? I'm not here to show you, look what I can do on these flights, but no, I want to show you guys how to get discounts. And from the previous video, you guys might have learned that I got about 54.8% off from the actual cash price. So if you haven't checked out that Starlux video, I urge you guys to go click on the link and check it out right now, because it's quite a great experience and I don't want you guys to miss that. Now at this moment right here in March 2025, there's an opportunity for you to get similar discounts. We're talking about 50% off. And what is it? That is the points purchase promotion on Alaska Airlines. As all of you might already know, you can actually transfer points from Bilt credit card or Amex to Hawaiian Airline and then transfer over to Alaska Airlines for points. However, if you don't have any of those credit cards, or you don't have points with those credit cards, you can actually right now at this moment buy Alaska Airline points. There's a promotion that's 50% bonus, which you actually come out to be around about 1.97 cents. Call it 2 cents per piece, which is, to me, I think this is a fair price. Okay, and you can get a Starlux business class tickets from Taipei to Los Angeles right now, after you purchase the points, and get 50% off. So we're going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so first of all, hop onto Alaska, purchase the points at 1.97 cents per piece. This is not sponsored, by the way, and this is not financial advice. I know we're talking about money here. This is not sponsored. I just thought that this is a cool way to save some money if you want to have the similar flight, similar experience. Okay, so go to Alaska Airlines, purchase the points, and then go and look for award tickets, okay, on Alaska Airlines, their website, and then search for Taipei to Los Angeles, okay? And if you put in the date January 21st, you actually see a ticket that is their lowest price, which is 75,000 points in business class, plus $46 in fees. Okay, so let's do the calculations together, okay? So we have 75,000 points, right? Multiply that by 0.0197 for 1.97 cents per piece, and you get $1,477.50. Okay, but don't forget that you have to add the fees, right? A lot of people forget about the fees. So we add $46 in fees, and the total is $1,523.50. Now hop onto Google Flights and type in the exact same destination, origination, destination, and date, and go down to Starlux, and you'll see that in business class it's actually charging $3,055. So we are actually going to divide the answer that we got by the cash price, which is $3,055, and we get 49 or 0.498, which is basically almost 50, right? And we minus the 1 to get the discount rate, so we actually get exactly 50.1. 50% discount. So bam, right there, you save half off right now, this moment, as long as there's still availability for this flight. Now, I know sometimes nowadays on Alaska Airlines, the availability is hard to come by now, but that's okay. That's okay, because sometimes you will still find availability, and especially when it's closer to departing date and when it's stretched all the way to the beginning of the schedule. Of course, you don't want to speculate and purchase a lot of points and just kind of let it sit there. You'll want to guard against devaluation or potential devaluation. However, if you do find a flight and that fits your schedule, go ahead and do that right now. Right now, you want to go ahead and do that right now if this fits your schedule, because this is half off on an amazing flight. So again, my name is Johnny. I'm here to help you elevate your travel with points, hacks, and everything else in between. So if you like this kind of content, please like the video and give us a subscribe. We have a lot more content coming up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.